To set bottom right corner action to do accessibility button function in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap bottom right. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on or shift next to accessibility button to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, you can connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done connecting, now you can substitute the accessibility button function to let you open up all accessibility shortcuts that you have had before by hovering and stopping your mouse pointer on the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.